So I made it to Wangaratta, to Greg's place. I'm here with Jordan and Jess, and we are now installing Outback Motortek crash bars and skid plate. We're having lots of fun. The bike doesn't have a central stand, so yeah, it takes a few people actually to to install it. And yes, we're doing a great job, right? And you, Jordan, you're enjoying it, don't you?
It's so good.
So these are the Outback Motortek prototype bars, very first ones to be installed in Australia. Jordan is a truck mechanic here, right? Jess is a diesel mechanic, and Greg.
Nurse.
Greg is doing as a central stand.
Yeah. Got to play to your strengths in life, Kinga.
Which one did you put through the bottom?
Like one that size, but not that one. Not that one.
What's wrong with that bolt again?
Yeah, that nut.
It's not, so... Let me help you. Thank you. That's it. Okay. Right, and then... Isn't that beautiful?
It's lovely.
Hold on, let me help you.
No good.
Fine, I'll take it back.
Useless.
We're also installing Outback Motortek luggage rack, which looks very, very flash. And that's the easy part. And we are done. Just few moments later, we are done. Thank you guys so much. Dream team, dream team. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Have a good night. Morning. So now I have better lighting, so I can show you what we achieved last night in a garage. So this is the luggage rack. It's quite wide and it's got lots of points where you can, put your strap through. Very, very solid and nice design. And here we have the engine guards, which wrap around nicely around the protection for the tank. And underneath here, all the way from there to here, is a skid plate. So a skid plate has two parts. So this is the first one, goes sort of on top, finishes here, and overlaps the bottom one, which goes all the way around. So I'm leaving Wangaratta, and I'll be traveling towards Melbourne for the next couple of days. So in 80 k's I should hit this gravel road. I got this nice route from Miles, and apparently it's very scenic, because I don't want to be on pavement all the way from here. So my plan for today is to do a little bit of pavement, a little bit of gravels, and then camp somewhere in the wild, and tomorrow I'll reach Melbourne. That's my head. Quick stop for a pie before we go into the wild, and a coffee. Sort of like my tradition now on the road, to have a pie and coffee. This is good. It's so nice when it's not raining. There's not even one cloud on the sky. Perfect. That's a nice area. So it's damped. It's probably Thames River, or what is this place? Yeah. Look at a caravan park there. Very pretty. So I think somewhere here will be my turn off to the gravel road. And I just need to have a look which way I'm going. That way or that way? That doesn't look... Is it gravel as well? Yeah, both gravel roads. Right, okay. Now, we have to work out which way we're going. Okay, we're gonna have to turn right here, and that road goes to Whitfield, I believe, little town. So we should be on a gravel for quite some time. Oh, what a beautiful day. Morning. We're going through King Valley wine region. Kinga Valley? My valley. I claim it. So apparently there's a free camping spot somewhere here. No, that's nothing what I'm after. No, no shade. I don't know, I think it's someone else's property anyway. Right, let's go further. This is such a cool road. So like you get a gravel for like 20 k's and then you have a little bit of pavement and then gravel again. But it's all like this. Curvy. So much fun. It's a long weekend, so there's a lot of people around just camping along the river. All of this is, I mean, okay, here we're in a little village now, but amongst the river in the bush, it's all free camping. So this is my camping spot for today. I took the long spur track and we are where? At the, what sort of the river? What's the name? King River, right. And today I'm not all by myself at the campgrounds. These guys have a ride. Chris, Zach, Jake. Got it right?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, right. So guys are setting up the tent because they'll be camping here nearly for a week. I'm only here for one night. So it's nice to have a company. Nice to meet you guys. They're a bit shy. Hey, you're on YouTube. So it's not just a camping trip, you guys gonna rip it. So will you be riding every day?
Yeah, probably every day.
Lots of good tracks here.
Yeah, they're okay. Nothing amazing, but a bit of fun.
And how many people are you expecting for the weekend?
13.
A lot. All boys.
Yeah, boys trip.
Chris, and this is your bike?
Yeah.
What you got?
Yamaha YZF 450.
How's it going?
Yeah, it's good. Good old motocross bike. It keeps going in the bush though, so
Yeah, for sure.
it's good fun.
Yes, and I like your setup. You've got a big tent and a swag inside.
A swag inside. I get cold.
Come on, Zach. Tell us about your tent. This. That's yours.
That's his.
Ah.
He came along with just us. He's
So,
brought along.
Zach, where are you sleeping?
Yeah, in that swag. On the oak tree.
Oh,
With no
you the real deal. You're gonna be actually sleeping in the swag.
Yeah,
Cool. Very good.
I don't have a tent for my swag.
Perfect. I'm gonna follow you because I want to ask you about your mansion. People can sleep in your tent.
I don't know, depends how squishy one is.
What, 3, 4?
It's two, just two.
2. But looks like a mansion to me. This campground is located in beautiful location, right on the... What was the name of the river? King River, right, sorry. So right on the King River, this is actually a road you can go across. I'm not gonna go there. And these guys are going fishing. They're gonna fish trout. Hopefully they're gonna catch at least one. And tonight's dinner is brown rice and tuna. Haven't tried this brand before. Right. Smells good. Looks good. Oh no, my spoon broke. Need to fix it. Right. With corn. Very, very nice. I'm on my way to Melbourne and I'm taking the back ways, as many gravel roads as possible. So this road goes along the Goulburn River. I think I still have around 200 k's to Melbourne. Everyone on this road drives like a maniac. I start of the long weekend, so I think everyone is in a hurry to get to the campground. Bloody hell. And now I'm going through the northern part of Yarra Valley. Yarra Valley is a very well-known wine region, although this is sort of like a more forest sort of area, so I believe all the wineries probably are down south. But regardless, it's still very enjoyable ride. And I think that's it. We finished with gravel roads for today, and I still have around 100 k's to Melbourne. Going through this beautiful, beautiful gum tree forest. So these are the outskirts of Melbourne. Suddenly there's so many cars. I need to stay focused. I'm not used to heavy traffic anymore. I got to Melbourne late, but just before it got dark. So in Melbourne, I'll be for a few days, and I'll be staying with my mate Ree. Ree and I, we go way back. Ree is actually one of my longest Aussie friends. We used to work together in the pub back in Sydney. So we should be close to her house. Okay, I think we're very, very close. Like here. Hey! Oh my gosh! Hi! Oh, you too? Hello! Hi!
Kira, this is Kinga.
Ken, hi! I love your hair.
We've been dying to see you.
I know, I'm so happy to see you.
Good to see you too.
Oh,
Kinga, this
bloody
is
hell. Hello.
Akira's grandma, Dave's mum.
Ah, nice
This
to
is
meet
Gay.
you.
Gay,
Hello.
This is Kinga.
Kinga. Nice to meet you.
Have to pick the busiest day on the roads.
Ah, you know.